Hello everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to perform routine maintenance for ReSound hearing aids. You should really only need two items to perform this routine maintenance: a wax guard replacement tool and a brush. If you'd like, you could also replace your domes now as well. First, remove the dome. This will allow us access to the wax guard within the speaker. The white piece in the center is the wax guard. Have your wax guard removal tool ready. Remove one of the tools from the dispenser. As we see here, this side is used to remove the old wax guard, and this side is used to place a new one into the speaker. Take the replacement tool in one hand and your hearing aid in the other. Place the remover directly into the old wax guard firmly and pull it out. Now, rotate the tool and place the new wax guard into the speaker. You should feel it snap into place. Then you can remove the tool. Place your dome back onto the hearing aid. Now is your chance to replace your dome if you would like. Be sure to center the dome onto the speaker. The final step is to brush all three microphones on the hearing aid. This is to remove any debris that might be causing disruption. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Happy hearing!